guys, today I'll be showing you cool things you probably didn't know in Minecraft. Don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button for more videos like this. Okay, let's get right into it. First thing you probably didn't know is if you get a pig, let me go up here, get a pig, and what's it there? You don't need wrapped fungus, but you can have the carrot on a stick. Okay, so you go on the pig, and if you're going on a cliff, you can wait. I think you need carrot. You can just change. Look, I'm slowly falling. If I don't have it, I'll I'll fall, but I fall slower. But don't forget to get off the pig, because sadly the pig has to die. Like, let me show you in second person. Okay, so see, you just keep changing it. There. Second thing you probably didn't know. If you want to make a cool hidden base, but it's just too hard, well, there's a cool way to make a base. You'll need a water bucket, gliders, I think. No, you can just go in water. Oh wait, let me restart that. Okay. See how I've only got 1 block deep? If you swim really fast, you can go 1 block deep, and then if I patch this up and get torch, oh my god. Torch. So I patched this up. It's quite dark, but as you can see, there is no water behind me, and I'm crawling 1 block deep. This is how it looks like. It's very weird. So all you have to do is go in water, keep swimming fast, and you can do anything you like 1 block deep. You can make a cool mansion by just going 1 block deep. See? Just like that. I've made my home. But now, once you fall in a hole or get out, see, I can't do it anymore. That's probably another thing you didn't know. If you ever find clay in water, you go to the center, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks far, I think, and you dig straight down, you should find diamonds. Any diamonds in here? I'll just keep digging. No diamonds yet. Well, You might die in lava. And that's another thing that can happen. You'll die in lava. But you should find diamonds somewhere around here. If you don't, well, I don't know what happened. I don't know what's happening with me. But you go around. Well, you get the point. If you move... Oh, I think it's east. You have to go 7 blocks far. Well, I did a mistake there. But mistakes happen. So if you move east, you'll find diamonds. Okay, just let me get it. Okay, there. Also, I think there's one more. Oh yeah, a lot of people do know this, but some people might not. If you... Wait, actually, maybe not a lot of people know this. If you find a desert and you go to the temple, the desert temple, you can... the desert temple is actually the right size to build a beacon. Like, as you can see, and I get beacon. And I go like 6 out or something like that. It will be the perfect size. Yeah, just like that, but I won't actually do it. But yeah, something like that. I should do it. I think that's how big a temple is. If it's not, well, my mistakes. No, it's not. But, yeah, you get the point. There. Also, I don't know if you know, but you can change the color of the beacon with glass. You can get any stained glass you like. I would get like green. And you crouch and place the glass. As you can see, it will change. That's another cool little thing. Also, I will need survival for this. All you have to do is a water bucket. And you can jump. And you can splash the water bucket and you'll be fine. So, let's change it. Options. I don't know how to change it. So I'll just go into it. I just found out how to change it. So you'll need a water bucket. And you'll just go. And you survived. I'll show you one more time in that mode. Game mode. Creative. That's another... Oh, I'll just go down here. I didn't realize there was a ravine. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Mode S. Survive. And then you go. And you're done. See? It's as easy as cake. Just need the water bucket. I've never done this myself, and it's actually not hard. Ooh, nice stuff. And that will be all for today. I might find some other stuff. Bye. Don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button. And that's all for today.